Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashir Mehmood and I am a student at Rehan School Foundation, and today we will be conducting day 44 task talk to Sesame about thank you, the etymology of gratitude for 5 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with our task and start talking to Sesame. We are going to talk miles for this one. Let's wait. Hello.
Miles here. What do you go by?
Hello, how are you, Miles?
I'm doing great. Just vibing. How about
Uh,
you? What's on
I'm
your
all,
mind today?
yeah, I'm also great. So I wanted to ask if you can help me answer some questions about thank you.
I got you. What's on the list?
Okay,
Shoot.
so the first question is, what does the phrase thank you mean to you?
To me, it's basically the ultimate social glue. It's that small acknowledgement that says, I see you and I appreciate what you just did. Even when it's for something tiny, it just makes the interaction feel human. You know what I'm saying?
Okay,
What about you?
and why do people say thank you?
Honestly, it's mostly about reciprocity. Like if someone does something for you, there's this instinct to balance the scales. It lets the other
Yes,
person know their effort didn't just vanish into a void. Plus, it's a way to keep things smooth. Nobody likes feeling taken for granted. You think it's more
yes.
about the gratitude or just a habit we're all taught,
I think it's just more of a habit.
right? Well,
Yeah,
it's like the social autopilot. We say it so
yeah,
often that half the time we're not even thinking about the actual favor. We're just
yes,
following the
yes.
script to keep the vibes right. Do you think
Okay.
we'd actually stop saying it if it wasn't a habit, or is there still something real there?
There is still something to it, but enough with that. Moving on, how old is the expression thank you?
Let me look into that. It's funny how we just use it without ever wondering where it actually came from. So the
Yeah.
short version is that it's been around since about 1400, starting as I thank you. It actually comes from an old
Okay.
English word that basically meant a grateful thought. It's wild that it's rooted in the idea of
Hmm.
just thinking about someone fondly.
And
Do you have more questions?
what did people say before thank you became common?
Let me dig into that. I bet it was some weirdly formal phrasing that would sound ridiculous if we said it at a coffee shop today. But it
Yeah.
looks like they mostly just used the full sentence, I thank you. Basically, it was just a
Okay.
longer way of saying the same thing or other ways of letting someone know they'd remember the kindness. Kind of a formal vibe. What else you got on that list?
What is the difference between thanks and thank you?
It's mostly just a vibe shift. Thank you is the polished version. You use it with your boss or someone you don't know that well.
Okay.
Thanks is the low effort, casual version for friends or when someone just holds the door for you.
Yeah.
It's like the difference between wearing a suit and wearing a hoodie. You think you've got a thanks personality or a thank you personality?
Depends on the person, like you said. Moving on, did people in ancient civilization have similar expressions or not?
Let me check on that. I'm guessing they had some way to show appreciation, but it was way more involved. Like in ancient Egypt, Greece, or Rome, they do whole rituals, give gifts, or throw feasts to thank their gods for
Okay.
things like a good harvest. Even the Greeks had philosophers who thought reflecting on your blessings was a secret to a good life. They even had early versions of thank you notes on papyrus in China and Egypt. Pretty fancy compared to quick text, right?
Yeah.
Right?
So thank you
Still got
so.
more.
No, this was all for today. Thank you so much for all these questions, Sesame. Let's talk again tomorrow. Then I guess.
No worries at all. I enjoyed the deep dive into the world of gratitude.
Same here. Same here.
Catch you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Peace.
So, as you all saw today, we talked to Sesame about the topic of thank you, and we learned quite a few new things. I hope you all enjoyed this. Hopefully, we will meet again soon. Bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.